How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. If you're experiencing problems with your LG Magic Remote not working properly, like certain buttons are not functioning or it's lagging, then you may need to reset the remote. Now, of course, the first thing you should always check is, are the batteries good? If changing the batteries did not fix your problem, then you do need to reset the remote. And don't worry, this is an easy process. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using a 2021 MR21GA Magic Remote, but the steps are going to be the same for previous versions or even some of the newer ones. All right, now to reset the remote, you will need to press the back button and the home button over here, both of them at the same time for 5 seconds. And then the power button up here, you will notice it will blink 3 times. And also you're going to get a notification on your screen. All right, so let's do that now. There we go. You got the light blinking. You got the remote registration disconnected. And now, like I said in the message on the screen, all you got to do is press the OK button over here. You don't want to scroll. You just want to press down once. And then register your new Magic Remote. And that's it. Magic Remote has been successfully registered. And as you can see, the pointer works and all that. Press the home button over here. And that's about it. Pretty simple, right? It only took less than 10 seconds to get it up and running and making your remote function like it did when it was brand new. Well, that should do it for today. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.